How to upload folder in Google Drive from your PC or laptop. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show the perfect method. So let's start with the video, guys, and welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. First, open your browser and log in with your Gmail account. After you log in, just click on this menu icon and go for Google Drive, or you can simply search for Google Drive in browser. So this is interface of Google Drive. As you know, this is the Google Drive where you can we will the Google provide us the 15 GB storage free facility where we can save our folders, files, and other files. Okay, so here you can also upload your files and folders. So in order to upload the folders, we need to go in new, and under the new you can see this folder upload option. You can also use the shortcut key, which is alt plus C then I. So in order to upload folder, we need to click on it, then go to the location or folder where you have. Okay, so I going to upload this folder. Just select that folder which you want to upload and click on upload. So it will be start uploading. So here you can see this is a progress of uploading. You can see we have the it is depend on your file size. We have 28 file under this folder, so it takes some time. You can see it is uploaded. Okay, it is done now. I think it's still working. Yeah, now you can see this is folder has been uploaded. Now just refresh your Google Drive and you can see your uploaded folder here, or you can simply go to the recent, and under the recent you can see this is my all file. This is my file under this folder. So go to the type and click on the okay, under the recent you can see only your files under this folder. So you can go to the home and go to the type of files and go to the folder, and you can see your recent uploaded folder. You can also see the time and date if you want. Okay, you can see the recent file uploaded here and you can open it. So that is how you can upload the folders in Google Drive. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.